rainy days in Michigan are great days for improvements to the camper. What we've done here is a soft start for the air conditioner. This is a Mach 3 unit. They are universal, they work with all units. On the website they have all the wiring diagrams necessary for each individual air conditioner unit. We have a Mach 3 and it actually mounts in here nice and easy in this area. This cavity is covered by a plate. 2 screws at the bottom allows you to open it up and get access to it. I pulled the top cover to get a little bit more access to the top to make sure everything gets in there nice and easy. The install takes an hour or less. What the purpose is this unit is to ease the compressor starting on the air conditioner unit. That way it makes it a whole lot easier to run on a 15 amp house outlet circuit without tripping the breaker all the time to be able to run the air conditioner, or in my case it drops the starting loads for the inverter to be able to run the air conditioner a little bit longer under battery powered. Simple install, just wire ties in real nicely with the existing wire. Nothing too hard to do. All it takes is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of wire cutters. That's it. Comes with all the butt splices and crimps and ends and all the adapters needed to tie in to the electrical system on the air conditioner unit. Currently installed on a Mach 3.